and gentlemen, we are on section 5.3 where we will be looking at estimating quotients using compatible numbers. Now, hopefully you're not, but you might be saying to yourself, what in the world is a compatible number? Well, as you can see, I have a little definition there. My definition for compatible numbers is they are numbers that are easily divisible by the divisor to get a quotient close to the actual answer. It's kind of complex. Let's read that again. Numbers that are easily divisible, meaning I can divide them easily, okay, by the divisor. The divisor, okay, I got that. That's the outside number, yep. To get a quotient. Now, a quotient, I know, is the answer to a division problem close to the actual answer. Kind of sounds like we're rounding, but we're rounding with strategic numbers. Let's look at how this looks in action, shall we? Alright, so in order to divide with using compatible numbers, I have a couple steps here to help us. Step one is, with this problem, we're going to pick one of these numbers to stay the same. Now, I'm thinking 3. I really, I like 3 to stay the same. I like my outside numbers to always stay the same. Never outside of my cave. It just makes it easier. So in this case, we're going to make 3 stay the same, okay? 3 is my number that I'm picking. She's the magic number. I like to make the divisor stay the same. The popcorn kernel. It's pretty cool. My next step is to identify a multiple of 3, because that's the number that I chose, that is close to my dividend, that is close to this other number. So I'm going to count my 3s until I get close to this number. I could go over as long as it's close, a whole number that is close. So let's think. Out to the side here, I'm just going to count by my 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Oh! Those are both close, aren't they? My 18 and my 21. We've done the butterfly thing before. I feel like 18 is closer. I'm going to pick 18. 18 is really, really close to 19 and 7/10. So I'm going to choose that as my number that's really close. My multiple of 3 that is close to my dividend. And then I'm going to use those numbers to divide to find my new estimated quotient. So again, my 3 is staying the same, and my 19 and 7/10, my dividend, I'm going to change it to an 18 because it is a multiple of 3 that is very close to what I originally had there, and I know that I can get an estimated quotient close to the actual number. Mentally, I can solve this problem. 3 into 18, or 18 divided by 3, gives me a quotient of 6. Woo! Let's go through these steps and try another one. So according to my steps, I'm going to leave my divisor alone, my 9. I'm going to keep him the same. And then I'm going to count by my divisor until I get a number that is close to my dividend. Well, I don't know about you, but I am not counting all the way to 737. But I can count close to 73 by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Whoa, 72, and then I add a 0, and it mimics what I have there. I feel comfortable saying that 720 is close to 737 and 5/10. So I can find an estimated quotient for 720 divided by 9. Well, 9 goes into 72, 8 times, add a 0, so it's close to 80. A couple more problems. Again, I'm going to leave my 8 alone. And I'm going to find a number that's close to 46, because I can just add a 0. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 48, not 406, or 46 is really close to 48. And then I just add a 0 to make it the same place values, giving me a quotient of 60. Bop, bop. Now I want to try one more problem, this last problem here. And I want you to try this problem on your own. I want you to solve this problem independently and see how successful you can be. Remembering to keep in mind your learning scale, where you fall on our learning scale. If you're able to solve this problem successfully, then mark yourself as a 3 in your learning scale. If you need some more assistance with this, there's nothing wrong with that. You simply just have to talk to me, communicate these needs, and we will work on them together. So I'm going to leave my 15 the same. I'm going to count by 15s till I get close to 30. 15, 30. Well, that didn't take long. 30. Then add a 0 to make the same number of place values. 15 goes into 30, 2 times with the 0. 20. So my estimated quotient should be about 20. I hope you feel successful with this. And can identify where you fall on our learning scale when it comes to our estimating of quotients. Please write on your notes your learning scale level, whether you're a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4, when it comes to estimating quotients.